Hello everyone, I am Chakraborty. Welcome you all to the best rooftop gardening channel. Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will discuss about how to grow rose from cutting. In this video, we will also show you the different stages from cutting to flowering of rose. So watch the video till the end and please like, share and subscribe if you found it useful. Let's begin. First, we have to take cuttings of rose from mother plant. We have to choose healthy branches and it should have nodes, as you can see here. From these nodes, new leaves will grow. We must select a branch which have at least 4 to 5 nodes. Then we have to remove the extra branches and extra leaves. As you can see, I have removed the extra branch and the leaves. Now it has more than 6 nodes and we have to cut the end of this branch with a knife in this way. It will help to propagate new roots. For this branch, we have to remove all the leaves because their leaves will take all the energy from the branch and no root will grow from this branch. Therefore, we have to remove all the leaves carefully. In this way, we will cut all the branches. As you can see, cuttings are ready. Now we will use root hormone. It will help to grow secondary root of this cutting. We need to coat the sharp edge with root hormone and gently push it into the soil. In this way, we have to coat the sharp edge with root hormone and we have to place all the cuttings in a pot. We have placed all the cuttings in the pot. Now we just need to press the soil gently and we need to put this pot in a shady place for a few weeks, and we have to use water as per requirement. After 15 days, you can see the difference. New leaves have come from the nodes, the reddish new leaves, as you can see. There are many cuttings which has started rooting. and new leaves have come. After 60 days, you can see new buds have come. All the leaves are green. Here you can see the new bud and leaves of the cuttings. All the cuttings have grown, the new leaves and new buds are coming. Here, as you can see, new bud. And here is another one. Now, after few days, the flower has bloomed. You can see the beautiful rose, the pink rose. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get updated videos regularly.